So on July 9th, 2022, we suffered a fire in our home caused by one of those lithium-ion batteries from one of my RC trucks. It's important to note that this fire only occurred in one bedroom, which is important when you see the bill for the cleanup.
But you're gonna have to get a like a fire, water, and mold mitigator. To come over here and give you an assessment, all right, bud?
Okay.
Because they're gonna obviously all this drywall is gonna have to come out. And so all this smoke traveled through your vents. So that's why you had that smoke come out of your vent.
Yeah.
All right. So that smell might be there for a while. Obviously you have insurance in the house, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
I am documenting this video because we were absolutely taken advantage of by this restoration company, which I will not name because they have such vicious lawyers. Needless to say, if you have a home or ever called on a water remediation company, this video is a must watch. Part 1 is almost 40 minutes, and I know most people only have the attention span to watch a 20-second TikTok video, but I think this video will thoroughly surprise you. It has the plot of a suspenseful movie thriller in the making. So please just watch and wait until the end. So this is the room after it was all gutted out, and it's the smallest room in the house. And look at this bill, $22,169. And then it went up to $24,000, as you can see there. I think part of the reason why is because if you look at this message here from the manager there, this was on July 14th. The fire occurred on Saturday, July 9th. If this was an emergency situation, they would have came out right away. But this was on July 14th, which is a Thursday. And I had actually spoken to him on that Wednesday. So they could have came at any time because my wife and I work from home, but they didn't. So what they did was they scheduled it for Saturday. And this becomes important when you start looking at their fees. So this is their bill. Look at number 251 at the very top. Equipment set up after hours. They charge for extra equipment, which were duplicates. Look at down here at the bottom, 261. Fire mitigation emergency service call during business hours. How's that possible? They charged us for things we didn't have, like a bathtub. Our home has no bathtub, as you can see here. And on their website, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Doesn't say anything about their after or emergency hours. So this is an email that was sent to them by our insurance company, a government insurance company, which I'm not going to name. We'll just call them Immigrants Insurance Company. But as you can see up here at the top, they charge for a heavy clean, even though they were only doing a normal clean. They had the size of the rooms wrong. They just completely charged for things that were not allowed. They had the ceiling perimeter incorrect, cleaning for a bathtub, as I mentioned before, when there are no bathtubs in the home. They did not subtract wall space, and this is how the bill jumped up. And when we addressed it, they placed a lien on our home. Now this lien was placed on October 7th, 2022, and then they also damaged our equipment. Their cleaners came out and used such abrasive chemicals along with high heat machines, it caused all of our brand new stainless steel equipment to rust. And as you can see here, our home was immaculate prior to this. This is the email where they scheduled a time to try and come and clean all of the rust off of the appliances, to no avail. And those pictures that you saw were after they cleaned them.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
I'm Joseph.
Hi, Joseph. I'm Glenda.
Nice to meet you. I remember this guy.
Yeah. So, all right. So.
Come on in. Come on in. Excuse the mess.
Thanks for.
Hello, hi, good morning.
Hi, kitty. My cow
Oh, yeah,
ran off
you'll see
already.
the
The
second.
dog.
He tries sometimes. Come on, Archie.
No smells cold. Yeah. The AC is back up and running.
All right.
Yeah.
Archie, they gotta get through.
July, yes. Oh,
That was the hottest day I've worked all year.
it's terrible.
All right. So, which appliances?
Right here.
So the oven, the microwave, the dishwasher, the toaster oven.
You can actually see like little scrub marks where they were wiping. That doesn't come off either.
This one too?
Yep.
And I just moved it.
Yeah, absolutely.
This is always happening.
What's up, kitty cat?
Archie.
What's up?
Is there a model or anything on this?
I think I still have the box.
It's just Black and Decker.
You still have the box, you think?
I think
Yeah, she keeps the boxes for some reason.
for
I do too, my wife gets so mad.
it's probably out there on the pergola. Well, that top piece was reinstalled after.
Okay.
It's just this piece.
Yeah,
That-
was over here.
Yeah. So
Bought some things the other day. I just unboxed it, started using it, and I put the boxes to the side. My wife said, "You gotta throw them out."
I keep
I'll
it
find
for
a
like
spot
the first year, and then if there's no
Oh, I got
issues-
boxes from my first
Can I open
iPhone
it?
probably
Yeah,
somewhere.
Mr.
no metal on it. So.
You have the box for this one too, or not?
No, not that one. But that one is a Hamilton Beach. The model is usually on the back side anyway.
Oh.
It's usually on the back.
Is it okay if I'm sorry?
I'll fire another one for Christmas for like $2.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
And then this one too.
Beta.
And then this one, the model will be on the bottom of this.
Those cats are skittish, aren't they? Don't run
Yeah,
off.
this one's
Skittish with other pets.
very it's a character.
Mm-hmm.
Like he does his little parkour thing, whatever.
Oh,
Run
okay.
in between the table and between jump on the
I don't
couch,
wanna break
run
it.
around and then go back.
Yeah, I remember we used to have
I can fix it.
Yeah, okay.
and they all
Our first pet, only because and then he found his mother in the middle of the road like that.
Then does this one, can I
Oh
open it?
no.
He was
Yes.
dying in our yard, so we just kind of took it from there.
This one,
He's got
I remember
we have the papers.
This lady I used to work for.
It's still halfway shrink wrap. We actually just finished installing it. Yeah.